So here's how to create a Microsoft account. First, you'll need to open the browser and then type Microsoft. Then hit enter and click on the first link in here. And then let's switch the language to English. And you can simply click on the sign in button here. Then under the sign in, you'll see new to Microsoft, and then click on create new account. And then you'll be prompted to pick an email, for example, test email. And then click next at outlook.com. You can select at outlook.com or at Hotmail. So select one of them and click next. And then you'll be prompted to choose a password. Then click next. And then click it, select your country and your date of birth. And then click next. And now you will be prompted to enter your first name and last name. Then click next. Now you'll need to solve this CAPTCHA. So you will need to rotate this towards the hand direction and then click submit. Then once you complete the CAPTCHA checks, you should wait for it to load and it should log you into your Microsoft account. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.